us now with Jameel Ahmad in London. He's Director of Investment Strategy at NAGA. Great to have you back with us, Jameel. Now, Bitcoin is continuing to soar to new heights, but do you make any sense of the record highs that we're seeing right now? Is it actually worth $50,000 plus that it is right now?
That is the $1 million question. And I think that when an asset has moved as much as 90% higher in the early weeks of 2021, the new trading year, you have to question whether that's justified. And this is the thing. The justification for the increase in Bitcoin price is speculative. It is price, but it's based on the firms like PayPal, Tesla, MasterCard adopting the technology in the future. But that's the key thing. They're adopting the technology as Bitcoin for a payment asset, whereas what we're seeing in the market is actually the increased price, which is a speculation, which is why there is a lot of critics that say that Bitcoin cannot be justified above $50,000 or any level, because that is based on the value of the asset, whereas what the firms are buying into is the technology of Bitcoin as a payment provider and something that can be used as a form of money. So this is the key question. But I think that now we've hit 50K, which was very much the magic number. The next magic number is clearly going to be $100,000. I'm not going to say it's going to do it or not, because we never know what's around the corner for Bitcoin. But that's the key thing. This is an asset class that's now moved by 90% this year. Can that be justified? No. But is there more hype behind the adoption of Bitcoin as a future payment method? Yes. So it's whether that tug of war can be in play as to whether, say, yes, this is going to justify the rises, or whether, no, we really can't justify this because there's clearly other assets too that can be used as payment assets as well.
Taking a look at other markets now, and global stocks have started the week on a bit of a negative note. Why are they under pressure right now?
It's a difficult one to justify. Once again, there's a lot of concerns that, the good news, which is the vaccine rollout, could lead to bad news for markets in the future, because central banks and authorities will be less willing to provide more stimulus and lower interest rate policy, which, to be honest, is not completely true, because we've got the Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, is set to testify this week. We've got the former IMF head and the current ECB president, Christine Lagarde, set to have a statement later today in a speech where both the central bank heads are going to say that because of the economic challenges brought from the pandemic, that central bank policy and interest rates on a lower level will be here for many years to come. And I think that investors will eventually buy back into the stock markets because of this pure facts.
Okay, Jameel Ahmad from NAGA in London. It's a pleasure as always. Thank you for that.